fried chicken in the Ninja. We're going to make it a little bit spicy, and this will be a nice quick meal for you. So we're going to be using thighs today because thighs have a little more protein in them than the regular white meat, and they cook very, very nicely in the Ninja. So I have 4 thighs here that have been soaking in 1 cup of buttermilk. Now, if you don't have buttermilk, you can use any kind of milk you like and add a tablespoon of vinegar to it, and then it turns into buttermilk. So these have been marinating for a while. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to salt and pepper them and put a little seasoning on them, and we're going to cook them in the Ninja. Okay, so here we go. And then we have some Tony's Chacher here from Appaloosa, Louisiana. Or you could use this Ball's Cajun Seasoning. It's made in Lake Charles. And so we like our chicken a little spicy, kind of like if you go to Popeyes. All that chicken from Popeyes. And so we're just going to sprinkle that really well. And then we're going to roll it in almond flour. Tony makes me sneeze.
Oh no!
Hopefully, well, I'll be able to control it. So we're going to tap those. And then we're going to place them in our little... So we're going to spray our little pan here, our little fryer, with, today I'm using coconut oil. You can use avocado oil or any other kind of spray that you like, okay? So we're going to spray that, and then we're going to place each one of these in with the skin side up, okay? A little salt and pepper. Anyway, guess you noticed I have on an apron today. Levy and I decided that we, would like to start wearing an apron on our shows. So he designed the little logo for us. And so today is our first show with one of us wearing the apron. Missing Levy today.
Oh no!
But hopefully we're going to be getting together soon to do something together. And so, sign in on our page if there's something that you would like us to try. We are very open to trying new things. I'm just going to spray the rest of this there, spread it. And then I'm just going to top it with a little bit of the spray. And so I'm going to clean up my hands because it's kind of a mess right now. What we are going to do is we're going to put this in our fryer. And we're going to preheat. I should have already done that. We're going to preheat this fryer for 5 minutes. So I'm sure we're going to put it on air fry and 390 degrees for 5 minutes. Okay? And then after our 5 minutes are up, we're going to put our chicken in. Now this is how our chicken is looking in our air fryer pan. And we are going to have turnip greens with our chicken tonight, and cauliflower mashed potatoes. And so that will round out our dinner.
Hey, it's me, Levy.
the guy editing the videos. If you look at this graph, 90.6% of you are not subscribed, but you're still watching the videos. Subscribe already. Scroll down and click the big red subscribe button. Thank you.
We're back. It has been cooking. The chicken has been cooking for 12 minutes. And so now what we're going to do is take it out and flip it over. Okay. I'm going to let you see how it looks so far. That's how it looks so far. And that's 12 minutes. And we're going to flip it over. So it's 390 degrees on the air fryer, and we're going to set the timer for 12 minutes. This is the second 12 minutes, and then after that our chicken should be ready. So here you're going to have fried chicken in about 30 minutes. It'll take a few minutes. So anyway, so we're going to take a little break and we'll see you on the other side. All right, our 12 minutes are up. We're going to check on our chicken now, see how we did, and let's check and see where we are. We're at 168. So I think our chicken is ready. Okay, hey Ford, there you are. Why don't you come over and take a little bite, since this is what we're having for dinner tonight. It's pretty hot, honey.
Hello, folks.
This is the reason that we're cooking for diabetics. This is my husband, Ford Taylor, and he's the reason Levy and I have started doing this cooking for diabetics. It's very hot, sweetheart. Really, really hot. You can see the steam coming out. Don't burn yourself.
That's good.
Good? Think you can have that for dinner tonight?
Oh, thank you.
All right, well thanks. We'll see you next time, and hopefully we will be doing something very soon with Levy. Have a good evening. Thank you.
Bon appetit.
And like our website, subscribe.
See what I mean, Patrick?
Where's the leak, ma'am?